no bed space was there. Then attitude works out, posture attitude worked out, and Satish, who came here first, who roamed before my landing, he just searched me a room, and then when I came here, there was no room, and finally we both were searching for it, and then I got a bed space. It's like girls' hostel, and their life is horrible. I haven't been in hostel and all. First time something like hostel life, have to get up early, have to go, have to fix timing to bath, to eat. Really.
Discipline.
Huh?
Lot of discipline.
Discipline.
But it will help you for the next 40 years. This discipline, 30 days, 3 months discipline.
Discipline means, yeah, I used to get up. I'm a chatterbox.
No, this 90 days of this kind of a life has changed your way of thinking.
Yes, of course.
And today when you go back home, you appreciate your mother's food.
Of course.
And you respect your mom.
Yes.
More than anything
else. Yes, of course. When I was really in hunger, one of my colleagues in operations bought me bun. I really cried. I thought of my mom. He's giving bun for me, and my mom saw him. I gave him this call, and then she called me back. And then I spoke with her. Really, I'm missing your food because it will be damn good.
No, but you have seen the real world.
Yeah, I'm not telling that stuff is bad, but mom's preparation is something.
That absolutely gives you confidence, and because I myself seeing difference in all of you, and it is a basic foundation you are laying. You are doing your MBA program or whatever course you are doing. More than all this transformation is very important, and it's very important that you guys do it. IIPM guys pay about 10 lakhs fees and go to Belgium for 1 month or 3 weeks just to have fun and partying and stuff like that. Nothing else they do. But here I want you guys to know real life and see the thing. And well, you should share your girls' bed space details with us, with Lexi, please.
Girls' bed space.
Yeah, because for the future students for come.
I can help. I can give my best to the institute also.
Yeah. And don't worry about the and do you think you have any doubts of getting a job?
Doubts of getting a job?
No.
As I'm working, confidential is there. Confidential, we have to.
No.
In
future, once you finish your MBA program,
yes, of course I can.
With this Gulf plan, you've done 90 days experience. Now you know how to get a job.
Yes.
You don't need my help to get you a job, right?
Yes.
That means you learned how to fish. I don't have to give you a fish. You know the difference. When you come to me saying I'm feeling hungry, I give you fish. You will eat it. Your hunger is finished. Again, when you're hungry, again you will come back to me. But if you know how to fish by yourself, rest of your life you will not only help yourself, you will help others. That's important. And how do you rate the Gulf plan?
Yeah.
In a scale of 10?
It's something small concern, a lot of experience. I have done work. And to be frank, and my colleagues are not. In India now we have to respect everyone. We have to be like this, we have to tell sir, madam and that stuff and all. Here they are scolding. If you call sir and madam, why you call by
name? It's an American style. Normally everybody will adjust one.
Seriously, 2 weeks I was getting scolding. Please call by my name. And then it moved good. Colleagues were damn good. They were really, for us it's lucky to get ESS, right? Not by work basis we are getting job or not, it's secondary, but we learn things. We done things by our own.
Fantastic.
And I did 2 shipments. I fixed dates. And I gave. In that 2 shipments has been more, and I'm happy with that stuff. And I'm submitting the weekly report, so it will only be a false report also.
So you think someone has to do a Gulf plan, or they should not do a Gulf plan?
Yeah, today I'm speaking this much means it's yes, of course. And when you came here and I'm asking you that why are you in cashiers, see my guts. In India and all, I used to scare off. I used to stay like this. I don't used to speak to him in a good way and all. Always I'll be afraid of speaking to him. And now see, I'm bold enough. This is the change. And really, being a girl, the privilege which I got her, I could rate 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Morning, friends. Morning, sir.
Evening. Evening. Good evening.
Usually I practice.
He's excited or nervous?
Not nervous.
Happy.
Everybody.
Happy? Sad? What is that?
A bit happy.
Okay, good.
Okay, now I'm doing my unpaid internship. Right, sir?
Yeah.
In Caravel Logistics. So it's like freight forwarding liners, custom clearance, warehousing, it's all together. So my experience in Carol was awesome, fine. There's a difference, awesome and fine. So I comfort. Okay. So my Carol is like a small company. It's started in 2000, past 5 years back. So now it's growing up. So I'm doing here like I can train here there. So they teach me a lot. They'll come to me and they'll hanging me like they won't leave me alone. So everyone used to come there. It's fine. Then what else? Especially I should thank Mr. Arvind, who is a HR in Kerala State. So he, when I in IIL, before Gulf Plan, I was attended three interviews. I got not selected, but I didn't worry upon them. When HR man, he spoke like a friendly man. So maybe at that way I had selected in Kerala, like maybe. Then my son, first I should thank him. Then my managers, everyone was like, I'm not in separate place. I'm in like a family in my hometown. I live like in a hometown. So it's only full of my colleagues. Everyone was Malayalis.
Oh, you're also Malayali.
No, I'm not Malayali.
You're there?
I'm Tamil. So
Okay. But South Indian.
South Indian. So free to talk. I can chat. Whatever I can surf in net. Whatever. So for getting knowledge. So they gave all freedom to me. They took me to place where the office is there. They took me. I should not say like they took me. They used to instruct. I used to go there. Then about my girl here. My first day in Gulf was like topmost hell.
Because you didn't plan earlier. After giving you the phone numbers and all the leads, okay. But still you survived. You're not dead yet.
Yeah, that's right. First I came here like I don't have any phone number, contact number, anything is there. So came here, I said over here. So you said before in India, you said like while coming back to India, you should be having some contacts, number of contacts. So apart from the Carol family, approximately I have 70 persons. They know me well. So that's right. That
you did a lot of networking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then first, I should happy for them to.
Which course you're doing?
Shipping and logistics.
No.
Oh.
Which diploma, advanced diploma, MBA. MBA. Okay.
So then, what else?
How do you rate your experience of Gulf Plan
I should
for yourself?
myself true console like 8.
8 out of 10. That's fine.
Yeah.
Really. How is the bed space experience? How much you're paying and where you're staying? The bed space.
But right now I'm not staying in a bed space.
You have somebody.
I was staying with my friends.
Fantastic.
So starting my bed space was like 750.
Okay.
I told them like we are from IL, we are the student, we are not working here for this particular 90 days. So my friends are coming one by one. So they have a delay of visa process. It's much easy for the students. So I explained them. They reduced 100 dirhams. So it's like with Wi-Fi connection, they had a 650. For girl, they didn't discount for one girl is coming, so it's not a problem. Food is, it's not like others. It's like home country only. Maybe sometimes the taste will be different, but it's okay. Food and all, no worries on all. People who are coming to Dubai, you can come.
Okay.
Sure, 100% you can come. If you have that power, you can stay here.
Attitude is very important.
Yeah. Then after.
So you are confident about your career
Yeah.
and your.
When I came to IIL.
Oh, very okay. That's a good way. Good.
So what are you, if you have any questions for your future?
Any friends? You have any questions to your friend? What is you rated 8 out of 10, right?
What was your you told me first day was your best day?
Hell. First day was your hell.
Yeah,
so,
like-
Could you spend that hell?
Hell. I was roaming like in Terminal 1, 3. Like that.
Like that. In terminals you started your hell.
Yeah.
That's
Sure.
fine.
But that was good experience too. Because
Because
after
airport.
I came
Positive attitude.
Yeah.
Good.
After if I exit, I can't enter. I have to wait for April 30th to get it. That's right, no?
Yeah.
So, any other questions?
Which company you try? According to you?
That's serious issue back. So I got selected, but that time I didn't know my company name. That's it.
Good. All the best.
Thanks for you. And you one hug from you.
Okay. Why only one? No? Why not more two? Good. Nice.
I'm just doing several. I'm doing my MBA in Cochin campus. Like I opted this Gulf plan, and I've been placed to CMA-CG. That is one of the third largest container shipping company. We are the agency we are shipping like the fire ships and the like 2 shipping line. Well, when I was here for 3 months, like it's given me a lot of experience, lot of knowledge regarding what is actually shipping. When I just actually opted for this MBA in IIL, I had only a small overview of what is logistics or else what is supply chain. But whatever we read, that is only gives you a glimpse of as a theoretical knowledge. That is what we are getting. But when we come into an industry, we face different kinds of issues. It will like contradict. What is taught to us, this is not what is happening here. So for 3 months, I've been first day I was like placed to department in logistics itself. I've been put it for
But I think the
2
syllabus
months.
in IIL is matching with the industry business as such.
Well, to say frankly, I don't think so. There are lots of things that is.
No, I'll tell you, CMS CGM, they are the owners of the ship. They do port agency.
No, they are not
They do
owners of the
license.
ships.
No, no, they have ships. They may charter.
No, actually they say that they are agencies. They are not.
That is because I'll tell you what happens is the rule of the law is here. You CMS CGM is a French company, okay, and they have offices everywhere. It's a French company. It's a top 10 liner companies in the world.
No,
Top 5.
actually the
third one. So these numbers keep changing. Like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and all that. Who's number one?
No, it is going to be second.
Yeah, so second, then MSA will not
It
be
is going to
so-
partner with
so
MSA.
yeah, so what would happen is what they do CMS CGM is they are here, they are the agents of the main company in, you can only call because the liner company is there. So instead of having an agent in this country paying somebody agency fee, it is always better that you have your own people under CMS CGM LLC Dubai or LLC UAE or whatever it is. So what is that they do is they primarily take up the role of a liner agent and a port agent. Port agent is to do shipping clearances, there will be a separate department, and liner agency you will have marketing department, sales, documentation, all those things, and then of course accounts department, all those things. The liner trade, what you study at IIL, is a business about liner trade, but the process of every company will be different. If you talk to APL, the process is different. You talk to CMS CGM, the business process is different. But the shipping business, what you learn, the liner trade, the port agency, the ship, the introduction to shipping is the same. It's like, how do you cook in your house the sambar? My mother will make a Telugu sambar, your mother will make a Malayali sambar. But sambar is sambar. The concept is same, but the taste vary because you use a pepper and masala from Kerala. I use my masala from Andhra. So understand that difference. Next.
Well, like when I was in CMA, I was into